Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I will review WSG token. Wall Street Games is a next generation hybrid blockchain based online gaming platform. WSG is the next generation gaming platform with a unique and immersive way to earn rewards. The WSG tokens have several use cases, so this token can be a good invest for long term. But investing in crypto is always risky. Still, this token is already very popular in the crypto community. They already have more than 1.4 million holders and it is increasing rapidly. This is a good sign for this token. This is the Twitter page of WSG token. They already have more than 69.7k followers and this page is very active with their recent updates. This is the pinned tweet and a good update. WSG NFT stocking pools are opening on Monday, the 2nd of August. You can check the article here. This is the tweet about ongoing daily competition. The WSG daily competition goes on. 10 players with most public games played on their site will get $30 worth of WSG every day. If you are a game lover, you can play the Roller or Coin Explorer and earn on BSC. You can check out yesterday's winners here. So these are really exciting offers. They also announce the winners every day. They have partnership with Just Liquidity and a gaming competition is going to live. And the most important news is they have burned 1.5 million worth of WSG tokens today. More burn events will happen in this campaign to award the true WSG believers. This can cause a good spike on the price. You can also stock WSG to earn passive income. So their plan and activities are good so far. The price of WSG is more than 16% down today. This price is 66% lower from all-time high. So it looks the price is in a good buying zone now. If you want to buy this token, you can buy from PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor and I am not telling you to buy this token. Please do your own research and then take your decision. That is all for now. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Stay well, stay tuned.